Sarika Rana, updated, June 18, 2018 17:21 ISD. I remember being fed 5 to 6 soaked and peeled almonds every morning by my mother. I ate them because she convinced me that these nuts could help improve my memory. Looks like she was right. Almonds have long been known to improve not just memory skills but also overall brain function. Commonly thought of as nuts, almonds are fruits of the almond tree that have several nutrients that may help keep your brain power in check. In fact, in a study published in the Journal of Nutrition and Aging, researchers explored a connection between almonds and cognitive function. In addition to vitamin E, folate and fiber, these nuts boast phytochemicals that act as antioxidants in the brain to combat inflammation, and omega-3 polyunsaturated fatty acids that delay age-related brain decline. Also read why diabetics should munch on almonds for the sake of their heart. Almonds are fruits that have several nutrients that may help keep your brain power in check. So, how do almonds help improve memory? According to health practitioner and certified macrobiotic health coach Shilpa Arora, almonds elevate the levels of acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter in the brain that helps enhance memory and help fight conditions like Alzheimer's disease. You don't need a lot of almonds to help improve memory. About 8 to 10 almonds soaked in water overnight and consumed in the day works effectively. We soak almonds for the nutrients to be easily absorbed by the body. Apart from acetylcholine, almonds have other nutrients that help improve memory function and overall brain health. 1. Vitamin B6. Almonds have vitamin B6, which is also known as pyridoxine, that helps aid metabolism of proteins, which may further help increase the availability of proteins for brain cell repair. Moreover, this vitamin promotes the production of neurotransmitter chemicals that further improve communication between brain cells. Also read what are the benefits of eating almonds daily. Almonds have vitamin B6 promotes the production of neurotransmitter chemicals too. Zinc. Zinc is a mineral that is known to boost immune system, which may prevent bacterial and viral infections that can damage the brain cells. 3. Protein. Protein helps repair brain cells, thereby improving cognitive functions including memory. Almonds are moderately rich in lean protein. 4. Vitamin E. Vitamin E is responsible for slowing down aging of cells such as those in the brain that might impact memory. While large doses of vitamin E have shown to have serious repercussions, a small amount may only benefit. Taking about 8 almonds every day will not mean you are overdosing on vitamin E content. Almonds to help improve memory. Please note that almonds have a high calorie count, therefore if you are looking to lose weight, then ensure you do not have a lot of these nuts and instead stick to 4 to 5 of them. You can add almonds to your daily diet too. Here are some recipes you can try using almonds. If you wish to improve your memory, then look no further. Make almonds your best friends from the kitchen.